Is your bike making a rattling noise, buzzing noise when it's idling, or you can hear some sort of other vibration, a metal vibration, metallic vibration? Check your exhaust pipes. Grab a soft mallet. Do not wail at your exhaust pipes. Just tap them. It's kind of how it should sound. You can hear a little bit of buzzing on some spots, and that would be your exhaust clamp, heat shield clamp. But listen to this front one compared to that back one. You can hear the difference. So get a soft mallet, tap your pipes, and listen, and you may find your problem.